Students, today we are going to study chapter number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. In this chapter we are going to study nomenclature of ketones and preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First system is common name system. Again this system is called trivial system. Trivial names of ketones are written on the basis of alkyl or aryl groups attached to carbonyl carbon. Example CH3COCH3 dimethyl ketone, though there is attachment of two methyl groups to ketone. When two different alkyl groups are attached to ketone, they are named according to alphabetical order. Hence, CH3CH2COCH3 is ethyl methyl ketone. CH3COCH2CH2CH3 methyl N-propyl ketone. Substituted aliphatic ketones. The position of substituents is indicated by alpha, beta and gamma. Example CH3CHBr CO CH2 CH2 CH3. Here bromine atom is attached to alpha carbon atom. Hence the name is alpha bromoethyl N-propyl ketone. Second system is IUPAC names. The IUPAC names of ketones are written as alkanone by substituting E of alkane by ONE. The longest carbon chain containing ketonic functional group is numbered such that carbonyl carbon gets the lowest number. Example CH3CH2CO CH2 CH3CH3. The name of this compound is 5-methyl-hexane 3,1. Second structure CH3CH2 CHCH3 CO CHCH3 CH2 CH3. Here, methyl groups are attached to carbon number 3 and 5, hence the name is 3,5-dimethylheptane 4,1. With continuation of IUPAC names of ketones, if two carbonyl groups are present, ketones are named as alkane diol. Example CH3CH2 CO CH2CO CH3. Name is hexane 2,4-dione. Second example CH3CH2CO CH2CH2CO CH3. The name of this compound is heptane 2,5-dione. When ketonic carbonyl is lower priority group, then named as oxo preceded by the locant name. Example CH3CO CH2CHO 3-oxobutanol. Next part, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. General methods for preparation of aldehydes and ketones. First method, oxidation of alcohols. Oxidizing agent like nitric acid acidified K2Cr2O7, alkaline KMnO4 are used to oxidize primary alcohols. Better reagent is PCC. Oxidation of primary alcohols. Primary alcohols contain CH2OH group. It gets converted into CHO, that is aldehyde, after oxidation. Reaction. When ethyl alcohol it undergoes oxidation in presence of PCC, it gives acetaldehyde. Oxidation of secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols on oxidation with CrO3 undergoes dehydrogenation to form ketones. Secondary alcohols contain CHOH group. It gets converted into CO group after oxidation. Reaction. Isopropyl alcohol reacts with CrO3, undergoes oxidation, it gives acetone. Next, second preparation, dehydrogenation of alcohols. The vapors of primary and secondary alcohols are passed over hot copper powder to obtain the carbonyl carbon compound. Primary alcohols. Primary alcohols, when passed over hot copper, it undergoes oxidation, it gives aldehydes. Reaction. Ethyl alcohol, when passed over hot copper at temperature 573 Kelvin, it gives acetaldehyde. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols also gives corresponding ketones when it reacts with copper at temperature 573 Kelvin. Reaction. Isopropyl alcohol passed over copper at temperature 573 Kelvin, it gives acetone. Third preparation method, ozonolysis of alkene. Alkene reacts with ozone to give ozonide, which on decomposition with zinc dust and water gives corresponding aldehydes or ketones. General reaction, alkene on ozonolysis it gives ozonide ring, which is on decomposition with zinc it gives aldehydes or ketones. Ethene on ozonolysis it gives ethene ozonide, which is on hydrolysis it gives formaldehyde, 2 molecules plus zinc oxide as a byproduct. Similarly, isopentylene on ozonolysis followed by hydrolysis in presence of zinc metal, it gives acetone and acetaldehyde plus zinc oxide is a byproduct. Fourth preparation method, hydration of alkynes. Alkynes means carbon-carbon triple bond. Alkynes reacts with water in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate to give aldehydes or ketones. Reaction. When ethane reacts with 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate, it gives vinyl alcohol which gets converted into acetaldehyde. CH triple bond CH, that is ethane, it undergoes hydrolysis, it gives CH2 double bond CHOH vinyl alcohol which gets converted into corresponding aldehyde acetaldehyde. Second reaction, propane also on dehydration it gives prop 1 in 2 all which gets converted into acetone. Reaction CH3C triple bond CH in presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid it gives CH3COH double bond CH2 which gets converted into CH3CO CH3 that is acetone.